Opening up into areas with deposit of raw material, the hunt for granite stone deposits for the road development in South Sudan as the pile continues to heave. Greater Bahr el Ghazal Road construction demand for this stone comes at a cost for the community. As the government embarks on hunting for this resource, the host community has this to say.
For this industry working, for us, we citizens of this area, because we doesn't have work to do. And if this one industry come for us, so we can work so that we can get maybe small thing that we can survive ourselves.
شغل تانا جا لكن ها يا الجيش ولا القاد في البلد ده ما عندنا شغل ناس كتير شباب بي شغل ما بلو.
President Salva Kiir's visit to the site marks the first of its kind of the head of state in the isolated area like this.
الحته ده زي ما انتم شايفين ناس كتار وراي ده دي التنميه هي التنميه بزياره الرئيس جاء لاول مره ده بنقول التنميه تبدا من هنا ويمشي لكل الولايات فده بشاره كبير لدوله جنوب السودان وبالتالي بنقيم مع الرئيس لتحقيق السلام والامن والاستقرار والرفاهيه.
انا بقول شكرا للرئيس بتاعنا الليله جاء عشان يجي يشوف بلد بتاعنا ده من زمان سلام وما جايني والليله كان جاء اننا بقين مرتا اننا شباب تعارويو بكاس شباب تكوشو اننا دايرينو عشان شنو رساله بلد بتاعنا.
فاننا مقصودين البيجي بتاع بنك ده اننا مقصودين فوق طبعا شركه ده جاي من 2021 يا وده جا اننا لو ده ما عنده قبليه ما في اننا ناس بتاع سلام اننا ناس بتاع بلد الدارين ناس تاني كل قبيلات شل نوير شل بلاندا شل منو اننا دارين شان ناس كون كتير.
Government officials accompanying the president are part of the responsible ministries of various services in the country. Koshopayam in Aweil Center, county of northern Bahr el Ghazal, being the only place with the granite stone deposit, is now hosting heaps of granite prepared for tarmacking the roads in unity, northern and western Bahr el Ghazal state and Warab with no granite stone deposits. With the president here, development is promising. The youth in the area are hopeful that such projects will open opportunities for employment of many that the women say have no jobs to sustain their families. They call for a give back initiative to the community in terms of agricultural inputs.
As the construction work for Greater Bahr el Ghazal Road commences, this is a site that has been identified available with the granite stones meant for tarmacking the road. However, the community here is much filled with expectations of services like schools, hospitals and water that they say they have been lacking for quite a long time. Arusi, SSBC, Northern Bahr el Ghazal.